Hello and welcome to One2Step. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add or create roles on any server on Discord. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open Discord on your PC and log into your account. Make sure you are the owner of the server, otherwise you cannot add or create roles. So let's go ahead to the server which I own. Click on this icon over here and click on server settings. Then you can see the roles. Go ahead and tap on roles and you can see one role has been given. To edit the role, just go ahead and click on edit, which is over here, and you can see some of the roles over here and some of the role color. You can change the role color, the name. You can access the permissions. You can see there are manage member, links, permissions. You can change this, and if you scroll a bit down, you can see display role members separately from online members. You can allow it, and you can see allow anyone to mention this role. You can enable this as well, and you are done. So if you want to view your role, you can see that there are some roles selected. You can enable or disable it anytime. So guys, this is how you add a roles. All you need to do is go to our server settings over here, click on roles, and you will find a role. Go ahead and click on create role, and this new role has been created. So let's go ahead and give the name of the role Ticketer and select a custom color. We will select this color over here, or else if you want to choose icon, you can do that, but you must have a level 2. You must buy some points for your server. And if you scroll a bit down, you can see there is a description of how it will look. Scroll a bit down and you will have access to display role members separately from online members. You can click these, click save changes, and you can see the permission over here. You can give the permission of view channel, manage channels, manage roles, create expressions. So you can see there are some of the roles. If you want all of the roles to be given, you can do this, or if you don't want any roles to be given, just click on clear permissions. And let's suppose you want to give the manage expressions over here, just go ahead and enable it. Click escape, click save changes, and there you go. You have just given a role to your friend or the bot, and that will work. So guys, this is how you create or add a role on any server on Discord. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.